Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel Brianside256. In this video I'm gonna show you on how to import files in your HTTP custom for securing your online browsing and keep your internet private. Okay, so you might have got this file from maybe Telegram, maybe someone sent you on WhatsApp, but you don't know how to import it. Okay, so what you need to do, of course you must have already downloaded your app. You can get it from your Play Store. Okay, so in case you don't have it yet, you can get it on your Play Store. You just have to go and install it from your Play Store, and after installing it you have to click to open it up. Okay, and before importing this file, what you need to do, I told you this file is gonna help you to secure your online connection. So you have to come and click here like this. So another thing, you have to come and click on this clear or reset config right here. Okay, so after that, in case maybe you got it from WhatsApp, maybe it is Telegram, what you need to do is to come and click on this plus icon that you see. So go ahead and click on this. Okay, let me try to change this. Okay, what you have to do is to come and click on this down right here, tap where it is this, open this config. Okay, as you can see, this one was sent to me, but I am not yet sure if it is valid, that one, but that's the way you locate it. In case it was sent to Telegram, it will direct you to go to Telegram and choose that file and secure your internet. So you just have to click on it to import. Okay, so after you have imported, you can go ahead and click to connect and secure your connection. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel Brianside256. I sign out.